वंदना है, अर्चना है, प्रेम की जो जली हर कदम पर हो सवेरा, प्यार की बगिया खिली। हे प्रभु ऐसी हो दुनिया, हे प्रभु ऐसी हो दुनिया, प्रेम ही सौगात हो। स्वागतम 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 है आपका।
तो रुको जरा, सबर करो।
Thank you, Akshita, for such a wonderful welcome. Now let us commence the ceremony. पुस्तक और प्रकृति से बेहतर मित्र दुनिया में और कोई नहीं. There is no better friend than books and nature. And evidently enough, both are materials. With this, we'll begin the lighting ceremony. Light is a symbol of brightness and prosperity.
बहुत तेज हो रहा है।
Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable Director Sir, Chief Guest, Registrar Sir, Head of the Department, Dr. Ishwar Mehta Sir, and all the faculty members. I would like to thank everyone for giving the opportunity to start a departmental club, which will enable the students to work in the different fields. Likewise, in the fields of metallurgy, we have various things. Various students of our department, they basically go in the fields of management, in the fields of coding, but they rather very less explore the fields of metallurgy, which is very vast. So I would request all the juniors, the 21-20 batch, to participate in the fields of metallurgy and explore, because it has a vast. And thank you so much.
The vision of the club is to motivate the students to grow their interest in the field of metallurgical and materials engineering. Apart from this club will cater to the needs of the day for the metallurgist. It will provide a diverse forum with activities which will help them achieve a well-rounded assemblance. The club will have activities like debates, quizzes, group discussions, and presentations, and many more. This club basically was initiated by the 2018 batch of particularly metallurgy, and we hope that this club will be further propagated by the future Tosh courses. As our logo says, indeed, it's all about material work. Thank you so much.
Where there is a will, there is a way. The fire of doing something great can be learned by our seniors. Thank you, seniors.
क्या सोच है रे तेरी?
सभी देवियों और सज्जनों को नमस्ते।
नमस्कार सर। नमस्कार।
Respected Director Sir and my dear colleagues, today I stand before you to speak a few words on this occasion. So I will go into the economic history of the world. Angus Madison, who was a macroeconomist in Britain, he compiled a book regarding the economic history of the world for 2000 years. To see large number of students from metallurgy and materials engineering department.
Professor S.K. Bukhari, our very dynamic registrar. Dr. Mehta, head of the department. Dr. Atikur Rahman and other very young and dynamic faculty members and dear students. A very good afternoon to all of you. First of all, please accept my apologies for being late. Actually, I was invited to Sukast, Kashmir for some official function there, which got delayed due to various reasons, and that's why I was late by half an hour. At the very outset, I would like to congratulate the department, especially the students, for starting this professional chapter in the department. I remember that was in the year 1995, probably, when I was a faculty at NIT Hamirpur. We started, because since I am from mechanical engineering branch, we started a chapter with Mechanical Engineering Society. It's very important. We have already signed some MOUs with some of the organizations which specifically deal with steel manufacturing. You know, you are all, because you are all material engineers and metallurgy engineers, you must be knowing we have two major sectors of steel making in our country. Of course, for that matter, in every country. One is, you know, in Punjab, and another is in Calcutta. And we have very, big primary steel sector with different, which produce steel sections of structural steel or other steels of different sections. Normally by cold rolling or by hot rolling. These are two major sectors, but in Punjab, we have a very big hub, and we have already signed one MOU with them.
गाइस कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस सारे मेटलर्जिकल डिपार्टमेंट को। धातु मित्र जो उन्होंने नया क्लब बनाया है, धातु का मतलब है मेटल और मित्र का मतलब है दोस्त, ऐसा हमारे सर ने बोला है, इनके सर ने। सो बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है। चलते हैं अंदर, और अभी रिफ्रेशमेंट भी है।
क्या सोच है रे तेरी।
First and foremost, I would like to thank our special guest, Mr. Kushal Saha. So it is
and maybe your host for the rest of the event. बहुत शांति लग रही है।
बहुत तेज हो रहा है।
करते हैं हम, प्रबंध करते हैं आपका, हम प्रबंध करते हैं। So, without wasting your time, I would like, मैं अपना प्रीव्यू दूंगा पहले।
रुको जरा, सबर करो।
मैं कुछ बोलना चाहता हूँ, उसके बाद ही I will call the performance. So, कुछ पंक्तियाँ हैं मेरी, जो आप थोड़ा गौर से सुनिएगा। जिन बूंदों के बारिश का एहसास कैसे होगा? जिन बूंदों के बारिश का एहसास कैसे होगा? जुनून वह जो दिल में जिसके, वो हताश कैसे होगा? प्लीज
क्या सोच है रे तेरी।
जुनून है दिल में जिसके वो हताश कैसे होगा, कार्यक्रम के इस रंग का मिजाज कैसे मालूम चलेगा, बिन ताली के हमें एहसास कैसे होगा। So with this I would like to introduce or going to start our first performance. I would like to call Tavish for her poetry performance. Give a big round of applause, please.
I use some semi-classical old kind of song because I'm not very versed with your new ones, right? दुख सुख संग समझे थैंक यू।
अपनी सुबह का जिक्र करने, तुम्हारी शामों के किस्से सुनने, कुछ कदम मैं बढ़ाऊंगी, दूरियां तुम भी तो कम करना, कुछ कदम मैं बढ़ाऊंगी, दूरियां तुम भी तो कम करना, जाहिर करना, बोल न पाऊं लबों से जो, बोल न पाऊं लबों से जो, आंखों में मेरी पढ़ लेना, रूह में बसते हो मेरी, मन की आंखों से झांक लेना।
Hey y'all, come look at this.
अब जब कारवां चली गया है शेर और शायरी का तो आगे बढ़ा ही लेते हैं। सब जग रहे हो ना सब? कोई खो तो नहीं गया? किसी को याद कर रहा कोई? चलते हैं उसी कारवां को आगे बढ़ाते हैं। तो कुछ चंद पंक्तियां मेरे साइड से प्लीज गाइस, प्लीज मेंटेन द डेकोरम एट द बैक प्लीज। नहीं दे रहा बेचारे। कि तुमसे दूर जाने का इरादा ना था, कि तुमसे दूर जाने का इरादा ना था, सदा साथ रहने का वादा भी ना था, पर तुम याद ना करोगे ये हमें मालूम था, पर तुम हमें याद ना करोगे ये हमें मालूम था, पर इतनी जल्दी भूल जाओगे अंदाजा ना था। फ्यूचर अहेड हमारा समाज मेटलाइजेस वी विल कंटिन्यू।
बहती रहती नहर नदियाँ सी तेरी दुनिया में मेरी दुनिया है, तेरी चाहतों में मैं ढल जाती हूँ, तेरी आदतों में अगर तुम साथ हो।
Sir, please, mic straight for all your
क्या सोच है रे तेरी?
Now, moving to our next performance, it will be performed by Sajid and Ganesh Gurjar. So please welcome.